welcome back to our vlog. Today, Herky, what are you doing?
Today, Herky's crazy. That thing's gonna fall.
What are you doing?
This is like real Herky behavior for you guys. Wow.
So, for today's vlog, we have something super fun and exciting, okay? We got a new toy. Super exciting. Hold on. Wait for it.
Okay, guys. Do you guys know what this is? It's the Dyson Supersonic, okay?
It's a hair dryer.
It's a hair dryer that costs like what, $800?
Oh, it's 500.
Okay, it's 500 Canadian dollars. And we've always wanted this hair dryer, but have always been too cheap to buy it. Because it is 500 freaking dollars for a hair dryer. That usually, a hair dryer costs what, like
$40
for us?
Yeah.
We've always wanted to see how this Dyson hair dryer, and it's not like a regular hair dryer, it's like new advanced technology.
It's Dyson technology.
Yeah, we always wanted to see how it would be like to blow dry Herky and Milton's fur with this.
Yeah, this is not for our hair because we have like very normal hair. This is literally, it says fast drying with no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types. Andy and I's hair are like very basic. We don't have frizzy, we don't have curly hair, so we have very easily manageable hair. So this is really just for Herky and Milton because you know that it's for us too. We do blow dry our hair, but you know that if you have Cavaliers, you know that blow drying them after a bath is so annoying. It's so long, and if this is gonna cut down a few minutes for us, it's like making money because minutes turn into hours, and with all those hours, you could be busy making money.
Well said, baby. I wonder who taught you that. No, I have to say, personally, okay, after every shower, I need to blow dry my hair because it drives me crazy to have wet hair. And I hate blow drying my hair. It has dissuaded me from taking showers many times. It is a deterrent. So maybe now that we have this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, it's gonna like encourage me and Mike to shower more often.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So this has powerful airflow. It says it has the air multiplier technology and amplifies air by 3 times. It has LED signals. It has negative ions. It has airflow settings. It has cold air shot, insulating chamber. Okay, it's just all around.
Does it have Wi-Fi? Does it do your task for you? You already opened it? Okay, so by the way, guys, we have to mention that we were not sponsored whatsoever by Dyson.
We wish we were.
Yeah, we reached out to them and they're like, no, we're not looking to work with pet influencers right now. And we're like, cricket. But I still want a Dyson.
So we ended up getting it anyway.
So this is a very unbiased, really like honest, pure-hearted review that you're going to have of this Dyson hair dryer.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this. Then we're going to take Herky and Milton out on a day, out and about. We're going to go take them for a nice little walk, a nice little outing. And when we get back, as you can see, Milton's eyes are disgusting. They need a bath like there's no tomorrow. So after all day today, it's super hot today too. It's like 40 something. We're going to bathe them and then we're going to dry them with this.
Oh man, it's going to be the ultimate test. They haven't been bathed in like a month.
Yeah, so they're really due.
Herky's like gray.
Okay, I don't even want to open it. Okay, it's like too well packed, so we'll do this later.
We'll show the box first, and then we'll open all this later after the walk when we're ready. Okay? soul tangle. It's gonna be a good day for Lana because Mai's giving this to her. It's a puppy
Good
Milton
Milton.
toy.
Okay, let's go. It's too hot.
What, Milton? What?
Oh, it's just open now. Hello, Mom.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Why?
Look at those butts.
Twin butts.
Milton. I know. They don't speak French. Con nhỏ này nó thích đuổi cho mình.
Wow, she's so red.
Why did you know that? Oh my god.
What?
Outside?
Outside?
Oh man. Yeah, it's shaded in the morning. Okay. Fix that's
So, since Grandma's house is currently being renovated, we did not know this until now. Herky and Milton are confined to this play area only. And usually they're used to running around everywhere in the house. Look how happy they are. They're extremely excited because Grandma always gives them food. You want it? You want it? Oh, Milton. Oh, Milton the animal. They're eating. Oh no, they're making rice noodle, but make sure that the onions don't get touched it, because onions is poisonous for them. Oh, look at that face.
Sorry,
It's the end of the
Lana.
world.
I'm sorry.
So Herky Shark claims another baby victim.
Come here.
Herky jumped up and ate Lana's chip. This child is traumatized for life. She will now hate dogs forever.
quoi ça? C'est qui ça? C'est pour Lana? C'est tout pour Lana? Ikaw mo rin sa Lana,
Herky will
ha?
steal all her food.
Ikaw mo ha? Mahal ka ka. Qu'est-ce qui se passe, Lana Bear? Regarde, gagawin mo, kibaw lang. You're too thirsty. That's it? Oh, baby.
So Herky jumped up and stole this from her hand. It's the end of the world, Lana.
T'es sorti violée, hein?
Oh my god. You don't want a little sister or brother, do you?
Bon, c'est fini?
Shark.
No, Herky, you're bad.
Herky, shark.
Death cry when Herky stole.
Maman,
Her popsicle? His popsicle?
Yeah.
oui, tu donnes des bisous, t'es gentil.
Lana, do you like your toy now? Yeah? You forgive the dog? Herky's a shark, okay? She's stupid, it's not her fault.
C'est vraiment drôle.
C'est pas sa faute. Herky, c'est juste un animal.
Ah ouais? Mais Dieu, elle a
Tu comprends?
Ok.
You understand?
Maman.
Oh, he said mommy. She said mommy.
Maman.
You like your toy? Yeah? Good girl. You like your toy?
Lana, dis merci.
Merci. Merci.
Est-ce que tu sais dire merci?
Tu dis merci, Lana? She doesn't like men.
Tu dis merci? Merci. Merci. Tu veux encore? Tiens.
Vậy đó thì bé mới sẽ
Herky really likes to eat this part of the lettuce.
Vâng mà.
Herky!
12 rồi.
Ah! Herky shark!
Thì cái hình của có mấy người trong gia đình
Milton, you want this?
Sau đó mỗi ngày nó chỉ nó hỏi này ai, sau đó mình hỏi lại ông ngoại đâu cái chị, mà hai đâu cái chị.
Vậy hả?
Giỏi
cái gì
hai
cũng
với vợ cậu vai mà ba.
We are back home. Herky and Milton, it's hot outside, huh? We got ooh, a very big package. I'm going to unbox it later, show you guys what it is. But yeah, unboxings are fun. More stuff for Herky and Milton. Yay. What are we going to do now?
I'm blowing my nose now. We're gonna take a nap, and then after that, I don't know if we're gonna give them a little final walk. They played in the yard at my mom's house, so they are full of dirt on the paws. So we might then give them a walk, or we might just test out the Dyson and bathe them right away.
We'll see. But we have to nap right now. We have to nap. That food was just, there was so much food. I need to nap right now. You know that feeling when you wake up from a nap in the afternoon and then you're so groggy, you don't know what to do with your life, and you're just uncomfortable, and you're hot, and you're warm, and you're nauseous, and ugh. So that's how I feel right now, and all I wanted was iced coffee. So Andy, awesome husband that he is, he took the girls for a walk, for a little outing, and he's gonna get us some iced coffee on his way back. So I thought in the meantime, I would unbox the Dyson and talk to you about the characteristics. I love opening new electronics, and boxes are super nice. Oh wow! Look at this. This is how it comes. There's a hair dryer with the cord, a diffuser, this attachment if you want to blow dry straight, a few attachments. I never use attachments, to be honest. Okay, so we chose the matte black one with nickel because this one looked so sexy, so beautiful. The cord is really big, by the way. There's a big power supply cord. Let's see how long this is. So it's decent length. I think it's longer than our current one that we have. Look at how beautiful. Oh, maybe for when you want to lay it down like this. There's a little wrist attachment thing. Okay, so this is a non-slip mat for the hair dryer. This big nozzle is called the smoothing nozzle. This one is the styling nozzle. And then the other big thing is the diffuser. This is the diffuser. The button here is airflow control. You have 3 precise settings, and then here are 3 LEDs for temperature control. 4 precise heat settings. The on and off is here, and then the cold shot is here. Down here is the air outlet, and this is the removable filter cage. Easy to remove like this, and then clean. This is fun. That big package that we had that I showed you earlier, I also did open it, but I'm not sure if I can show you the content just yet. It's a company that we're working with to do photography for them, using Herky and Milton as models, and I think it's some of their newer products that haven't released yet. So I don't think I can show you the products, but it's very exciting and it's super nice.
Hello guys. Okay, it's Daddy Cam here. It is extremely hot outside right now, and I'm taking Herky and Milton for a little walk. And since it's so hot, it's just gonna be a tiny little walk, like 15 minutes. They have too much energy, need to get it out. We're gonna stay in the grass. Like, it's real hot. It's 36 Celsius, and I checked. That's about like 96 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna stay in this grass. We're gonna get them tired. We're gonna get them dirty, and when we come back home, oh yeah, we're gonna get coffee from Mom. And when we come back home, it's time to test out the Dyson. Hey, Milton, you like the park? We're just gonna stay on this. Okay, Mil? So you guys know that feeling when you like nap too long in the middle of the day, which is a horrible idea. We napped too long, and now it's like 5:30 p.m. and like everybody's groggy. Milton and Herky, they slept for too long as well. and they didn't get enough exercise today. So yeah, I don't like that feeling at all. So we're gonna go get some Vietnamese iced coffee and like really get hyper, because that's the mood that we like to be in. It's ultra hyper. We don't like this groggy stuff. And every time we go to my mom's house, we end up with a nap after. Right, girls? We don't like to nap, right, girls? We like to play and exercise. That's not true. They love to sleep.
Hey.
Girls, are you excited to test out the Dyson tonight? Hey, Dyson girls? Milton usually really likes to get blow dried, so we'll see if she likes the Dyson or if it's too strong on her face. Herky usually just likes anything. Hey Herky, are you looking good? What are you focused on? Checking out that hot boy over there, the white dog. Herky's in love. Herky's in love. You look good in the sun, Herky. Okay, so we got ourselves two tired, slobbery girls. Herky drooled everywhere on her chest floof. It's all floofy. Milton is tired. And quick reminder, guys, anytime you take your dogs for a walk, bring some water. We really like this thing here. We talk about it all the time. I'm sure Mai's gonna link it. But this thing is great. Like, it's a container that you can take off and then you can give them water like so. Hold on. And we always keep one in the car. And I have one in my backpack all the time. So I didn't bring my backpack this time, but it's good that we had this in the car. Milton's real happy about it. Hey Mil, you happy? Yeah. Time for your shower soon.
Herky, Milton! Hello! Where's Herky?
Hello, dog number one.
Turkey!
Herky!
Turkey! Come here, Turkey!
Look at her!
I can't, I'm plugged.
It's gonna be a funny shot.
She's like, I'm the furthest corner. Come on, Turkey, we're taking a bath.
Come on, Herky. Come on, bath time.
Come on, Turkey. Come on. Wow, she's so lazy. She knows what's up. You want some chicken? Come on. Come on, Herky. Oh, there she comes. Come on, Turkey. You good girl. You good girl. Come on. All right, girls, let's go. Can
Okay.
you plop them in?
I'm about to go in with them.
Let's relay this bath thing. Hello, Turkey. Hello, Mito. You're a good girl. Come on. Look at Milton's eye goos. Herky has been gooing a lot from the eyes lately.
You're doing their faces.
Oh, great. Milton's face is extra gooey.
Yeah, you're gonna hit it.
I'm gonna hit it. Hello, my monkeys.
So guys, remember, don't put the water jet directly on their head. They don't like that. It makes them feel like they're drowning. So then Maya's gonna do it like softly like this after I nominate her.
Thanks. I get the eye goo phase.
Let's get Turkey wet. Turkey, you're very dirty. I'm very much looking forward to blow drying them after this.
Oh my god, me too. So excited. Supersonic.
So as a reminder, we're gonna give you guys our very, very honest opinion and feedback regarding the Dyson when we use it on them.
I really wonder if it's worth $500.
Yeah, what do you guys think? The Conair is $40. The Dyson is $500. Do you think a hair dry that's $500 is how many times more? I'm really bad
Let's
at
say
math.
10 times. Let's say 10 times.
Is it 10 times better than a $40 hair dryer? 10 times? It's not going to be 10 times faster. I know that already. But is it 10 times better? Like just airflow in general. Okay, mommy, get your hands in there.
Alright. Alright, as always, I start with the face shampoo so that it has time to soak in when the rest of the body is getting shampooed.
A spa, fresh facial scrub.
I've been getting a lot of questions about this shampoo. We don't use it for stains, eye stains, because Herky and Milton don't have eye stains. But we use it for just overall cleaning and smell of the face. So I don't know how well it works on stains. I literally got a DM from somebody that's like, I bought your shampoo and it didn't work on my dog's stain after one use. I'm like, I don't know about stains. Look at how cute Turkey is. Oh,
Nothing works after one use.
look at that baby. Do you love it, mommy?
Face massage. Face massage for Herky. When Herky licks her lips like that means she likes it.
Herky, you're gonna smell so good. I also get her ears, the bottom of her mouth, like this.
By the way, I want to apologize for everybody that's watching this for a pure review. There are plenty of technical reviews about the hair dryer on YouTube. So if you were just waiting to see our review, you're gonna have to fast forward to the end of the video. Or if you want technical reviews, there are plenty of videos. Right, girls?
Right, girls? Come here, you stinky boo-boo.
This is just a review from dog parents.
Oh, little otter face. Little otter face. Look at her tiny face.
Bring her closer.
Yeah, come here, Milton.
Milton, you like this?
No. Milton is not happy right now. She always wants to back up when I do her shampoo. She don't like it. Oh. Oh, yes, let's get that smell out of those little eyes, shall we? You little stinky monkey. Look at this little mouth. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. Alright. You want to do the body shampoo? What shampoo are you using there?
I am using maisonlavande.ca, which is a Quebecer company. Shout out to them, they're doing a wonderful job. I know because my watches them on Instagram every night, and I listened involuntarily. So this is a shampoo for animaux, for pets. Vanille et lavande. Vanilla and lavender.
Do you think it smells good?
It smells clean. Whoa, you get clean cats with that, rabbits, and obviously pooches.
Poochies. Turkey, are you a poochie?
Good poochie.
Hi, poochie.
Clean Herky's butt.
Clean Herky's butt.
So guys, remember in the car, I was saying about how when Herky gets dirty, her chest floof
It's curly.
gets super curly because all her saliva for like weeks just droops down to here. I have shampoo specifically reserved just for that area. A fresh dose right here.
Herky.
Come on, buddy.
Alright, since you guys have seen us. Oh, you're so cute, Turkey.
Yeah, Mom.
Yes,
Help me out.
yeah. I'll help out Andy because you guys have seen us doing this a million times. So, BRB. Herky, stay. Stay,
Stay, Herky.
Stay, Herky. Well, we're just gonna fluff dry them here a bit. Then we're gonna let them have their zoomies seen. And then we're gonna blow dry. Are we doing one versus the other, or?
No, we already know how the Revlon performs.
Alright, I'm gonna blow dry them. Ooh, crazy zoomies! Hello, crazy zoomies! moment of truth. I told you guys what the buttons are. There's fan settings, there's heat settings. Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay. What a nice sound.
It sounds like an airplane engine.
Okay, I put it at the hottest and the strongest. Oh, I love the sound, so smooth. You like it, Herky? No, yeah. Herky doesn't like this. Sit, sit.
Milton is a bit puzzled as to what it is.
You don't recognize the sound. It's a hair dryer, honey. Say Herky.
Okay, let's do Milton first. Milton is much more cooperative usually for hair drying.
Yeah. Good girl. Do I come here? Do I come here? Good girl. Ooh, the jet is strong.
So that's an air sound I've never heard before. What are the three lights that are currently lit?
This is the fan setting. Look, and that's the heat setting.
Okay.
So it's at the hottest and at the strongest, but it's not even that hot.
Okay.
Like, you know the other hair dryer, sometimes you put your hand and it's like unbearable.
Mm-hmm.
This is bearable.
Look at Herky in the back here, guys.
Good girl, Milton.
Good job, Milton.
Yeah. Oh, the one that Good girl, Milton. Oh, there she is. Hey, sit, Herky. I'm so scared of Herky.
Herky's a wild dog right now.
It drives pretty fast. Yeah?
I don't know. Okay, after that, I do Herky and you film. Okay. We're gonna unplug the camera. You guys change position? Look at this hair drying, guys. It's like, you can see right through the hole.
It's so cool.
Hey, girls, get back there.
You want to try it out?
Yeah. Okay, I'm so excited. It feels like I'm about to fly a jet for the first time. Oh, it's very powerful.
Yeah, like you feel the air is so strong.
The jet of air, I feel like it's very precise.
Yeah.
Like it shoots to a very precise place. Herky, come here. Come here, buddy.
Herky's not cooperating.
Stay. Stay.
Good girl.
Stay. Good girl. It's much lighter on the
I like
wrist.
that it's silent.
Yeah, it's much lighter on the wrist than the other hair dryer.
Too bad, Herky. Good, Milton. No.
And it makes like a more englobing sound when it hits the target. You guys hear that sound? It's like a car in the wind. So they were talking about how the heat is not too intense, like it's not gonna burn the tip of your hair. So I feel like it's not too intense for Milton, like she's not backing away out of heat, which sometimes she does on the regular hair dryer. So that's really good. Good girl, thanks. Good girl. It is extremely light. I really like how light it is.
I like that there's no extreme heat.
Yeah,
It doesn't burn your head after you blow dry it.
There's really no extreme heat. That is right. I know because my hand is here and sometimes that's how we test how hot it is.
Yeah.
And it's not that hot. Milton's a princess.
Hi. princess. Hi, little princess.
Now I'm getting her lower butt. Are you shaking, Milton? Oh, so all the air gets
Yeah.
sucked in by here,
Yeah, it's a filter.
and do you clean, like,
Yeah.
do you vacuum this, or what do you?
Looks like you can untwist it and take it off.
That's cool. That's ingenious.
Right now, do you feel like it's faster?
A bit. It's a bit faster, but since it's the first time trying, I'm not impatient, so I can't tell you for sure.
I think maybe we'll notice more on our own hair.
Or on Herky. Good job, Milton. Good job.
Meanwhile, Herky's still just right there waiting for treats. Herky, you only get treats if you get blow dry.
Herky's traumatized.
They were so confused with the sound at first.
Good job, Milton.
Good girl, baby.
Turn on your other side, Milton.
Good girl.
So now I'm not going to touch it, we're just going to watch how it goes.
She looks like a little lion, Milton.
You can vertical stop this.
Alright guys, so we almost finished Milton. She looks so floofy and beautiful, don't you think? Do you like it? I feel like it's a bit faster, but not that much faster. So I think the positive points why it's good for pets is that the jet is really strong, the noise is less loud, so it might be less scary to your dogs, and the heat is not that extreme, which is more bearable for your pets, and you don't have to worry about keeping it moving all the time like the other ones, which can be a bit hot on your pets. So overall, I'm satisfied. I don't know if it's worth $500, but I like it.
So the question is, would you get this to blow dry your pets faster, yes or no?
Yes.
Really?
I think so, yeah. My little baby.
So, final review. It's a great, fun little device. It's really light. It looks really fun. Would I have gotten this $500 just for my pets? Not a chance.
Aw, really?
No.
Oh.
No. $500 for this? No. If it was $250, maybe. But not $500. But I really like it. It feels nice. And
So basically we got it because we're gonna use it too for us.
Yeah,
So
we
that's
got
why
it
it's
'cause
worth it.
we want a toy. And it looks sexy. I just love the look of it.
It's-
I love how it looks, and I love the technology where it's like all reinvented. Like the air comes in from here and shoots out of here. It's not too hot. It's very like targeted. It's light. Luxury toy, definitely. Electronics lover, yes, definitely. Just to blow dry pets, definitely not.
Okay, Herky, it's your turn to get blow dried, honey.
And
Sit.
we're gonna close the video on Herky getting blow dried.
Alright, I'm gonna hold her.
Bye, friends.
Herky's so unhappy.
No, it sounds even lighter now. It barely makes a sound.
Herky Milton? You girls look so good. Look at those chest floofs. You guys are so floofy. You want to say bye to your friends? Do you guys like the Dyson? Say bye.